And continuing with our first alert snow coverage now, there is a major snowstorm on the way and the city is getting ready.
And those cold temperatures we've been talking about in D.C. are coming our way, of course, after the snow arrives later on this morning. Zinnia Maldonado has details on what officials have been doing to prepare. Zinnia?
Well, Doug and Elaine, right now we're in front of the salt shed over on 12th and 55th Street. As you can see behind me, we have one truck out here ready to go. And then we also have slowly but surely earlier this morning, some trucks are starting to line up again. This is along 55th Street. So they have a couple of hours to go, though, right before the snow actually starts falling. Now, the Department of Sanitation issuing a snow alert this morning into 2 a.m. Monday. What does that mean? Crews will be working on 12-hour shifts, spreading up to 20 million pounds of salt across the city. And then as soon as 2 inches of snow is on the ground, nearly 2,000 plow trucks can begin rolling. The city's emergency management department also issuing a winter weather alert, keeping in mind the cold snap set to hit after the snowfall. The city says it plans to activate Code Blue to help those who need to be in a shelter once the temperatures drop. And new this year, the city says once the snow starts accumulating, every route can be dispatched at the same time, bringing, quote, equity and snow clearance to the entire city, adding that this year bike lanes will also be cleared at the same time alongside car lanes.
Heading into the snow event, we now have specialized vehicles and the internal management technology necessary to ensure that no street is forgotten and that no neighborhood is left behind.
We're asking New Yorkers to call 311 if they need assistance for heating or pipe freezing. We have a Code Blue. It has been issued for unsheltered New Yorkers. So if you see someone in need, please call 311.
And keep in mind, with this deep freeze expected, anything that's not cleared out on the roads can and likely will turn into ice, black ice. So city also just reminding people, once the snow actually starts falling pretty heavily into this evening and of course into tomorrow, to stay off the roads and also the sidewalks if you can. We're live this morning from the west side. Zinnia Maldonado, CBS News, New York.
Zinnia, thank you. With the snow expected later today, our morning team will be on the air early tomorrow morning. Tune in starting at 4 a.m. for the very latest on the weather conditions. You can also go to cbsnewyork.com for the full forecast, live radar, and much more.